Let's talk about pellets. Pit Boss pellets are my absolute favorite pellets. They're sourced all across North America and they're 100% natural. Nothing artificial in here, it's all real wood. With the classic blend, you've got a delicious mix of pecan, hickory, and mesquite, which is delicious on steak, chicken, pork, or seafood, especially this flank steak. The apple blend is going to have that mild sweet flavor. Love it on pork and vegetables. It was delicious on these pork chops. If you're looking for that real woodsy flavor, you're going to want to go with hickory. Hickory is delicious on steak, chicken, or pork, especially on this prime rib. If you want to take a trip to Texas, go with the mesquite blend. It's going to have that bold flavor. You're going to use it on thick cuts of meat or anything Tex-Mex that you want to make, such as these delicious tri-tip tacos. And for another bold one, check out the charcoal blend. It's a blend of oak and just pure charcoal. It's perfect for burgers or anything you're throwing down at your summer pool party.